Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. How much water do you drink every day?
I try to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. Drinking plenty of water keeps me hydrated, which helps to maintain my energy levels and keep my skin looking healthy.
Question number 2. Do you prefer to drink hot water or cold water?
I prefer cold water on hot days because it is more refreshing and helps to cool me down. Cold water is also more hydrating and helps me stay energized throughout the day.
Question number 3. What kind of water do you like to drink?
I prefer to drink bottled water because it tastes better than tap water, and I am confident that it is safe to consume. I also appreciate having bottled water on hand when I'm on the go.
Question number 4. Is bottled water very expensive in your country?
Bottled water prices vary depending on brand and location. Bottled water is reasonably priced and widely available in my country.
Question number 5. Do you think we should drink a lot of water?
Yes, I believe it is critical to drink plenty of water every day. Water helps us stay hydrated and can improve our overall health.
Question number 6. Do you like to play in water?
Yes, I enjoy playing in the water. It's a great way to stay cool in the summer heat and a lot of fun to splash around and explore. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.